Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by picking your essential apps and committing to a single layout. Start now. Long press an app, drag it onto another to create a folder, and name it clearly. Explain why. Folders cut home screen clutter and speed access. Once done, move only the core items into this folder. Avoid stuffing everything in. Make sure to leave room for 1-2 frequently used widgets and set a consistent grid so icons align and scrolling stays predictable. Next, refine by category. Create distinct folders like communication, productivity, media, and utilities, then place apps based on use frequency. Explain how. Grouping by purpose reduces decision time and prevents duplicate apps across screens. Once folders exist, reorder icons so daily items sit on prime screen real estate and weekly items on secondary pages. Make sure to add an app shortcut for multi-step tasks and remove rarely used apps to keep the layout. Finish by polishing. Assign gestures or shortcuts to your top 1 or 2 actions, like double tap to open camera so you save taps. Explain why. Shortcuts multiply efficiency without adding clutter. Once done, test each folder and shortcut. If an icon won't move, clear the launcher cache or restart the phone. Alternative, switch to a different launcher temporarily. Make sure to back up the layout through launcher settings or take a screenshot so you can restore the organized setup instantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.